म्हादयचे उदकाचेर सुप्रीम कोर्टात फाल्यां जावपी सुनावणेक एजी देविदास पांगम आनी लिगल टीम दिल्लीत आसा। जस्टीस संजीव खन्नाचे खंडपीठा मुखार सुनावणी जातली। आमी केंद्रीय उदका आयोगाचो 1993चो म्हादयवेलो रिपोर्ट आनी 2019तलो रिपोर्ट रिकॉर्डार घेवपाची कोर्टाक विनवणी करतले, एजी प्रुडंटा कडेन उलयला।
Almost for 1 year we were preparing for this date. So we are all geared up now. So now there are 2 or 3 things. One thing is our contempt petitions are there on the board. Then there are interim applications are there on the board. In the interim application we are trying to produce the report of 1993 that is by the Central Water Commission giving the yield of Maday, which is much lesser than what the tribunal has decided. Then there is one report of 1993, of the year 2019. That is also we are trying to produce some record. So we would request the court to take that on record so that we will be able to argue the matter and say that the yield that is calculated of Maday Basin is wrongly calculated.
So only documents will be placed on record tomorrow, or there is possibility for arguments also?
See, documents are already filed, but the court has to grant permission to take it on record. These documents are filed around almost 3 to 4 months back, not now. But what happens is, if you want to produce something in appeal, the court has to grant you permission. Otherwise, those documents what have been produced before the tribunal. So in appeal, if you want to produce anything, you have to get a separate special leave of the court to produce it.
पुरावे पळयल्यार आमची बाजू भक्कम आसा। म्हादयविशीं सरकार गंभीर आसा म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री उलयल्लो।
आम्ही ज्या पद्धतीत केसीस फायल केल्या, खरें म्हणजे कर्नाटकाचेर वायल्ड लायफ वार्डनाचेर त्यांच्या फायल केल्या अगेन्स्ट दॅट आमी आमची ट्रायब्युनलाचो मॅटरूय चॅलेंज केला। एट प्रेझेंट 5 केसीस डिफरंट केसीस ऑलरेडी सुप्रीम कोर्टान आसा। जर त्यो क्लब जावन लिस्टेड जाली जाल्यार सिंगल केसूय जातली, बट वी आर व्हेरी मच सिरियस and we are evidence based, we are very much strong.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार।